we just keeping Apollo on regular food?
You can do both. Is it chewy, baby?
I think it's very long bacon. Coffee?
You want a cheeseburger?
Stop, that's your sister's.
You want a cheeseburger for being such a good boy? Can you gentle bite? That was... Okay, hold on. Let's try this again.
Stop.
Can you gentle bite?
No.
That's also not very gentle bite. Can you gentle bite?
No.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, good boy.
A hungry bite.
Good boy. Want a snack? Want your after your walk meal? Huh? Yeah. Is it good? You ready? All right. Good boy. Hey, here comes you. Good boy. What you doing? Yeah, good apple? You silly puppy. Hey, you want a treat? Oh, get down. Excuse me. Get down. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Ready? Gentle. Good boy. Enjoy. Oh, you dropped it in the dirt, you dork. Good boy.